Maseches Taanis, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Vav. Mishnah says, Avru Elu, if these fasts have passed, the Talmidei Chachamim fasted for 3 fasts, then everyone fasted for 3 fasts. So after those fasts passed, Velo Nano, they weren't answered. Now what does it mean they weren't answered? It means it didn't rain. The answer was no, but it means they weren't answered with a yes. There was no rain yet. So what do? Based in Gozrin, based in decrees, Shalosh Tanios Acheros. 3 other fasts. Al Hatzibur, on the whole nation. Now these fasts are stricter than the first fasts. These fasts are like Tisha B'Av fasts, which means Ochlin, they can eat, Vishosin, and they can drink, Mib'od Yom, while it's still the day before. The fast begins at night. So they can eat the previous day. But as soon as night comes, as soon as 3 stars come out, they can't eat. Va'asurim b'malacha, they're not allowed to do work. Uvarachitza, they're not allowed to wash. Uvasicha, they can't anoint themselves with oil. Uvanilas asando, they can't wear leather shoes. Uvatash mishamita, they can't be involved in marital relations. Not only that, but in addition, the noalin es hamechertzos, they would actually lock the bathhouses to make sure that nobody bathed. Avru elu, if these fasts passed, velo nanu, and they weren't answered, they didn't get a yes, no rain. They had 3 fasts for the Talmidei Chachamim. They had 3 fasts for everybody, which only began in the morning, and that was the only thing they couldn't do. They couldn't eat, they couldn't drink. They had 3 additional fasts that began at night, and they can't do anything that they can't do on Tisha B'Av. Still no rain. Based in Gozrin, based in decrees, Od Sheva, an additional 7 fasts. The first 3 fasts were on Monday and Thursday and Monday. Then we have another 3 fasts, which according to one opinion is also on a Monday and a Thursday and a Monday. Now we're going to have 7 fasts. Monday, Thursday, Monday, Thursday, Monday, Thursday, Monday. If you add it all up, Shein Shlosh Esrei Tanios, that's 13 fasts, Al Hatzibur, that everybody fasts. The Talmidei Chachamim have already fasted 16 fasts. Now, Harei Elu, behold these, the last 7 fasts, are Yeseros. They have additional restrictions. They're stricter, Al Harishonos, than the first fast, meaning than the middle fasts. Let's go over it again. The first 3 fasts, they're only beginning at dawn, and the only thing you can't do is eat or drink. The next 3 fasts begin at night, plus, besides not eating or drinking, you can't do work, you can't wash, you can't anoint yourself with oil, no leather shoes, no marital relations. The next 7 fasts have all those things, plus they lock the bathhouses, plus Sheba'elu, that on these last 7 fasts, Masriyan, they blow shofar during davening. V'nolen esachanuyos, and they lock all the stores. Every store was closed all day on the fast day, except, there's an exception for food stores. Basheni, when the fast is on a Monday, Matin, they would partially open the doors. They wouldn't be fully open, but they'd be partially open. Im chashecha, with the darkness, meaning in the afternoon. In the morning, they were closed. In the afternoon, they'd be partially open. Uvachamishi, but on Thursday, because in addition to people having to buy food to break their fast, they also need food for Shabbos. So mutarin, it was permissible, you're allowed to open the store, the food stores all day. Mipnei kvod Shabbos, to give honor to the Shabbos, so that people will be able to buy food for Shabbos. So any other type of store, a shoe store, a clothing store, a hardware hardware store, those are closed all day on Monday and Thursday in these last fasts. But the food stores could be partially open. They could be open in the afternoon, and the doors are partially open. And on Thursday all day, so that people could buy food not only to break the fast, but also to honor the Shabbos. So in total, everyone so far has had 13 fasts.